Testing. The requirement of time will be the preview data to select the structure. Because in my computer system, 1. Ubuntu, the default operating system, has the majority of law, but it does not work. 2. Jellyfish, this version of Unix, is working in the array of its performance. 4. There is the work of 1 on 8.2 on time for the preview data to select the internal frame. The mothership, based upon the best regard, it is the subsidy of the timer to play itself into the maximum number working partition. In general, there is the working partition to generate 243, which is the co-finder to execute itself into heaven, based upon the area of interest. In time, the working partition will generate 243. In Ubuntu, the math position of physics will transpose the system into the formula. I had to reinstall Ubuntu the Jellyfish. Now the two operating system is not working, only one, the Jellyfish, that one has been formatted. I don't know how to use the SDA in Unix, which is the partition and the drivers. But anyway, in relation to 30 nouns of the produce, it will select the frame. The frame is born E8294644241 by the board of the third moon, which may request the pyramid table for the sun. In time, it is the division. The division for the completion of the area of interest based upon node 324 is but the third amount of surfunc to equalize the map position of physics and to transcode the system. The system is 10824. So the PyGPT has not been working in Unix operating system, Ubuntu. So let's see.
It seems like you're exploring some abstract concepts related to design, the universe, and possibly the passage of time. Your phrasing is quite poetic and metaphorical, but I'm not entirely sure what specific information or clarification you're seeking. Here's a breakdown of some of the ideas in your statement. 1. Work of one as a noun. This could refer to the concept of singular effort or creativity leading to a product, the element of design. 2. Galaxy and the universe. The reference to the galaxy in relation to the sun suggests a cosmic perspective, possibly indicating that individual elements contribute to a larger whole. 3. Learning over time. The mention of learning implies a process of evolution or development, both in design, perhaps referring to artistic or architectural design, and in a cosmic sense, the universe learning or evolving. If you could clarify your ideas or specify what you'd like help with regarding this text, I'd be glad to assist you further. Your message continues with an abstract and poetic style, incorporating elements of learning, games, and numbers, along with some intriguing imagery. Here's an interpretation and analysis of the components in your statement. 1. Work of one as a noun. This could imply the idea of an individual effort that results in something significant, the element. It might refer to the creative process, where a singular effort or idea is the foundation of a design or creation. 2. Learning in time. The phrase, once upon a time it learns, suggests a narrative or story, indicating that there is a progression of understanding or development over time. This could be related to personal growth or the evolution of ideas. 3. The toilet which plays a game. This imagery might be metaphorical or surreal. It could represent mundane aspects of life that can interact with or affect deeper concepts, a juxtaposition of the ordinary and the profound. 4. The universe in numbers, 532. Numbers often hold significance in various contexts: mathematics, philosophy, numerology, and more. The arrangement 532 could represent a relationship or a formula. You mentioned that it is strong, suggesting that these numbers might relate to foundational principles or structures within your context, whether that be design, learning, or something cosmic. 5. In this way it learns. This closing line reiterates the theme of learning, implying that through these experiences, interactions, and reflections, there is growth and understanding. If you're conveying a philosophical message, exploring creativity, or perhaps conceptual art, I'd love to hear more about what you're thinking. Are you looking for a specific analysis, or do you have a particular question in mind?
So, in the way of learning the program, it will isolate 243, which is a pin-out even order the fifth moon. It may request the pyramid table for the sun, and in time, it will learn the program. Thank you.